Welcome to our exclusive journey through the epitome of extravagance, the extraordinary world of luxury yachts. As the sun kisses the horizon, our luxurious yacht emerges, a symbol of elegance and power, crafted with precision and adorned with sophistication. This vessel is more than just a boat, it's a floating paradise. Step onto the deck, where sprawling lounges invite you to recline in opulent comfort, while the world's most breathtaking views unfold before your eyes. Every detail of this masterpiece has been meticulously designed to elevate your journey into an unforgettable experience. Whether you're enjoying a movie night on the deck cinema screen or unwinding in the spa-like jacuzzi, every moment spent on this yacht is an escape into unparalleled leisure. Now, you might be wondering about the cost of this extraordinary experience. The price of such luxury is a reflection of the meticulous craftsmanship, the cutting-edge technology, and the unparalleled comfort that this yacht offers. Prices for these luxury yachts begin at $10 million, a testament to the dedication poured into creating a masterpiece that redefines opulence. Each yacht is a unique work of art, tailored to fulfill your desires and dreams. Are you ready to embark on a journey beyond compare? A voyage where luxury and adventure intertwine, where the open sea becomes your playground. Your very own luxury yacht experience is just a step away. Book your unforgettable adventure today and embrace a life where luxury knows no bounds. Discover a world where every wave whispers your name, and every moment is a celebration of the extraordinary. This is more than a yacht. This is an embodiment of your aspiration. Experience luxury like never before. Your journey awaits. Thank you for joining us on this